Hey everyone, welcome back. Your Google Chrome probably looks boring like this, but look at mine. I added my own photo and now my Chrome looks completely different. And you can do the same thing on your phone. Just open Chrome and tap the three dots. Now tap Customize New Tab Page. Then tap Appearance. Now tap Upload an Image. Choose any photo from your gallery. For example, I'm going to add this one. You can adjust it however you like. And then tap Save. Now go back to the customization settings and turn Shortcuts off. Then turn Discover off as well. This gives you a much cleaner look and lets your custom background stand out. And that's it. Now your Chrome can look like this every time you open a new tab. Subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.